So, at some point in the show, you revealed that you've done TV before.
Yes, yes.
So, what are some of the interesting things that you've done?
So I've shot with Mercedes-Benz.
Yes.
2019. I was one of their ambassadors.
Hi, Ebo.
Yeah, I was the face of Jameson for 4 years on a website. I've done ads for PSL. I was
Yes.
on Rhythm City as Calvin.
Yes.
Ispindiselo. I was called Bulani, the
Yes.
son of Keynes of the Shangani, yes.
Yes.
And then I had features on Iso, no, Isimbi, So yeah, I was literally in the media space because it's something I studied. I studied film and TV production techniques in City Varsity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it something that you were kind of always passionate about, or it's something you fell into?
No, I was born a character.